Hey guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I do this look just using some of the palettes from this month's Boxy base box that I got. And then also, sorry, I keep looking over to the side. Where is it? So also I tested out some of the Laura Lee Cosmetics or Laura Lee Los Angeles brushes that I got. Oh, I guess I do got a little bit of shed, nothing crazy. Anyhow, if you want to see my thoughts on these brushes, how I got this look, go ahead and continue watching. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know. Let's jump into this. All right, guys, so let's just jump into this. So I'm going to be testing out Laura Lee Los Angeles makeup brushes. I didn't get them all, and a couple of my BoxyCharm regular base box products, and then I'll do a regular base box video for for BoxyCharm. I do it that way just to kind of cut some time. So I was gonna get the bundle deal of the brushes, but I was at work, totally slipped my mind. So I just went in there and I picked a couple brushes. They are very affordable. So I did get the base brush, and I'm gonna do my base, and then I'll like finish up, and then we'll jump into eyes. Just, you don't need to see all that. So I did do a little color correcting and whatnot in brows. So this is her face brush. So they are, you know, they got the rose gold, the pink handles, kind of give me Luxie vibes. Very, very affordable. I believe this was like 10 bucks or around 10 bucks. I'll link some prices or put it down in the description box. So this is a very soft brush. She said that she fit as many bristles as possible in here so it doesn't absorb your product. It's not very stiff, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know. We'll see if it sheds. So let's just jump into it. I'm just rambling on, but it does feel very weighted. It feels like wood. This is the L11. So I am pretty excited because if I do like these brushes and how affordable they are, like, I'm sold. So I'm gonna go in with my Infallible Pro Glow. This is a color 206. This is my tried and true. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. And like always, I will bounce over with the beauty blender, or sorry, beauty sponge, because that's how I do my makeup. So let's just jump into this. Just kind of put it right on and lightly buff it right on in. I'm not getting any shedding. I will say, like, when it comes to my foundation brush, I don't mind when it's like dark bristles. I mean, I do like white bristles. It just looks really nice. But with certain colors and then your foundation and the staining, it's kind of like makes it look crappy. Like with the dark brushes, we know it's crappy, but it doesn't look as bad, right? That looks really good. Like, not streaky. Nose is a little bit streaky, but I'm very oily there, and it's like the nose, and I've yet to really find like a brush that doesn't streak there for me. It's just a weird area for me, so I'm not like upset with that. And again, streaking doesn't really offend me anyways, because I do use my beauty sponge as well. All right, so I'm liking this. I'm gonna finish up, and then I'll be back and we'll start in like with some eyes and some more thoughts as far as like how my skin looks. Yeah, whatever, you know what I mean. I slapped my base on in like no time at all, so hopefully it looks good. I think it looks fine. That brush, I didn't realize just how quick it did really buff out that foundation, so I'm gonna be probably chucking the other one. I mean, I guess I could use it for a backup, but I think it's seen its time. Like with foundation brushes, like, you ever notice how they only get so clean? I don't know, and with them being thicker, I'm fine with throwing that away and replacing it with that brush. I do really, really like it and recommend it. So these are the other 3 brushes I got. So I got the L6, this little guy right here, the L19, and then what is this? The L18. They are so soft. I don't know. I'm really surprised. We'll see how they work. But I'll be probably checking for her brand a little bit more because of these brushes and how much I feel like I'm gonna like them. So this is another product I got from my BoxyCharm. It's the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. These are the colors here. So I already know that I do like their formula, but this like wild orchid color is so pretty. And then it has like a rose gold, and then let's do blue sky just to give you like a swatch situation. So those are the colors. That blue is really nice. Let's see if I can actually swatch these. So there's the blue sky. There's the rose gold that's not really showing up. And then there's the wrong finger. Oh my God, how embarrassing. Again, I suck at swatching. So they're cute. Definitely need to build them up, you know, and that's okay. So I don't know. I kind of want to use that purple wild orchid color today, but I do want to look with like the blue sky at some point. The copper is really pretty. See this copper here? That's a pretty copper. I've been super into like copper. Just like summer, fall. I'm excited for fall. Oh my gosh, so excited for fall. Okay, so we're just gonna do a quick little look. So I'm gonna jump into clay right here and start using this little L18 and buffing that right on my little lid, my little hooded lid. Whatever. There we go, got some color. I wonder if she had like a, just because they are so soft, if she had like a big old base powder brush. I don't know, they're pretty damn good. Like, blending just fine. Again, I do like Violet Voss shadows. They do blend really nice. I feel like nobody really talks about them anymore. That and Lorac, like Lorac, I need to get some more palettes. They are so slept on. Like honestly, like those colors are so soft and blend so nicely. Just bringing this color right on down the side of my nose because I'm realizing like it is like quite a nice like little contour moment. Just divine. So oftentimes what I'll do is I'll like put the shadow on my hand just to see like what I can come up with. So like with the brown under there, that's really pretty. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and bring this brown down and then top it with that wild orchid. Like really just kind of loading up that brush. Just like so. I'm getting no shedding thus far with the brushes, so that's a win. And I like pretty sure these smaller brushes are like $4 and $5. Like blows my mind. So that's awesome. I feel like I'm gonna get the best result using my finger. This blue violet's really pretty too, but let's stick with the plan. See, look how pretty that is. So cute. Going back in with a little bit of clay and just buffing out the top of that. I will have the price in my BoxyCharm video, but if you don't happen across that, this palette is $36. I'm just gonna take this brush, probably, well, I guess I've used this for the, under the eye, but just because I want to use all the brushes, I guess, I'm gonna go with clay and then this L19 under the lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna use this little guy, the L16. I'll just use the same highlight I used for the inner corner of the eye, and I used Crown of My Canopy by Wet n Wild. It's like a peachy tone. Be like a great smudger as well. The box came with this like Kohl Big Fat Liner pen from Rockkins. God, do I want liner? I mean, I guess let's test it, right? That's what I'm supposed to do. Let me, if this goes well, I'll keep it in, but if it doesn't, just like, I'll be back. Just did the tiniest little baby wing. It comes out really, really nice. Put a little bit on my hand just to see like how quick it dries. How much is this? Where is it? Oh, $25. I'd like never spend that much money on eyeliner just because I don't wear it that much. But like, I guess somebody would. That's crazy. Close enough, just a little baby lash, just a little baby eyeliner. So I'm gonna do my lashes and probably just throw on like a gloss and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm super happy with the look that I was able to obtain with my products that I used, the Violet Voss and then the Laura Lee Cosmetics, Laura Lee Los Angeles brushes, whatever the fuck it is, the Laura Lee ones, and then my little swatch of the liner, so it doesn't budge, so that's nice. It's not the easiest liner I've used, but whatever. I just did a nude lip gloss, so I don't know, tell me what you think. Have you tried any of these products? Have you tried the brushes? What looks would you like to see in the future? I don't know, leave any comments down below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Bye. Bye.